What is up, people? It's your boy Filipino Rider UK, and we out here riding an electric moped. And extra kasi nga wala kaming rider, so I have to go out, you know. I have full license for motorcycle, I'm insured, so I'm fine doing the delivery. So massive shout out to Vroom Vroom, guys. Idol natin yan at yung kanyang XSR 700, lalo na yung kanyang Fury 125, just like my own Fury 125, bro. Massive shout out to you, my friend. I hope to see you soon when I go for Gawidak no next month. Sheesh! I just hope to see you, Rizzy, as well. I'm going home next month and yeah, meet up, bro. I mean, kikita natin sa idol, hopefully. Ipag-meet up tayo, no? And yeah, as mentioned, shout out to sa mga nagla-like. Hindi ko kasi kayo maisa-isa, ang dami nyo naman na bigla. Ay! Massive shout out to you guys, and I'll try and remember some of the names and I'll list it down at sasabihin ko kung sino-sino kayo. Shout out ko kayo. And yeah, electric muna natin ang gamit natin ngayon, and it's a scooter. Hindi siya nagwi-wheelie kasi medyo mabigat yung harap at maliit lang siya eh, napakagaan. Hindi rin siya makabengkong-bengkong kasi maliit din yung gulong. So this is what I have now, and I'm doing some delivery. Yeah, mabilis din siya, maybe abot din ng mga 70 kilometers, 70 to 80, and yeah, that's how fast it can go. Yun lang kaya niya eh, pero syempre pag nalobat wala nang kaya. So far we have 96%, 93%, dalawang battery niya, mga kaibigan, no? Uy, grabe naman yun. Dahil silang naka-indicator papunta ng left, hindi ko napansin, you know. May YZF ata sa likuran ko, hindi ako nagkakamali. And yeah, just electric bike, man. It's a bit fast. Yeah, it's a YZF. It'll be like R150 sa Philippines and R125 dito sa UK, because they are restricted to drive only 125 with that CBT license, you know, yung may L sa harap, L sa likod. Napakabilis ng tunog, oh. Yeah, pero hindi naka-set up yung bike niya. Maganda rin yung gloves. Okay naman, naka-AGV helmet, pero ayun kung anong exhaust niya. But yeah, mabilis din ang aking electric. So far so good. Bigyan ko lang ng tunog. Kalsik ko lumalaway. So guys, nga, no, napakasarap din naman mag-electric na motor, pero syempre boring para sa akin kasi automatic. Pero may magaganda rin namang mga automatic na motor. It's convenient, relax, medyo okay yung kamay mo, pero it's not for me. For myself, it's not for me. Oopsie. So yeah, we're tooting at the moment. Not treating, but in tooting. So guys, time to let go, time to say goodbye. So I will see you on my next vlog. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Wala pa tayong subscription button, pero naroon tayo sa YouTube, guys. Sa YouTube. If you want me to be specific, sa YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure to follow this page as well, and see you on my next vlog.